Multiple choice questions on machine design part 8. Question number 71. In the assembly of pulley, key and shaft. Option A. Pulley is made weakest. Option B. Key is made weakest. Option C. Shaft is made weakest. Option D. All the three are designed for equal strength. The correct answer is option B. Key is made weakest. Let us see the explanation. Key is the weakest member in the assembly of shaft, pulley and key. Key acts as a safety device. Wherever there is excess load appears on the pulley, key fails first and it keeps safer to shaft and pulley. So the correct answer is option B. Key is made weakest. Question number 72. Crankshaft and gears are made from option A. Grey cast iron. Option B. White cast iron. Option C. Nodular cast iron. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Nodular cast iron. Let us see the explanation. Crankshafts are made from forged steel or cast iron. Crankshafts for high volume, low load production vehicles are generally constructed from nodular cast iron. So the correct answer is option C. Nodular cast iron. Question number 73. The coupling used to connect two shafts with large angular misalignment is option A flange coupling, option B an Oldham's coupling, option C a flexible bush coupling, option D a Hooke's joint. The correct answer is option D a Hooke's joint. Let us see the explanation. Hooke's joint is used to connect two intersecting shafts and used in automobile to connect propeller shaft. A Hooke's joint is used to connect two shafts which are intersecting at a small angle. So the correct answer is option D, a Hooke's joint. Question number 74. When the shafts are slightly misaligned, then most suitable coupling to connect them is option A rigid coupling, option B flexible coupling, option C Oldham coupling, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B flexible coupling. Let us see the explanation. When the shafts are slightly misaligned, then most suitable coupling to connect them is flexible coupling. Examples: muff coupling, split muff coupling, flange rigid coupling. When the shafts are not slightly misaligned, the most suitable coupling to connect them is rigid coupling. Examples: bushed pin coupling, Oldham's coupling, and universal coupling. So the correct answer is option B flexible coupling. Question number 75. Dash is a cylindrical rod threaded at the both ends and left plane in the middle. Option A shaft, option B spindle, option C stud, option D bolt. The correct answer is option C stud. Let us see the explanation. Stud is a cylindrical rod threaded at the both ends, left plane in the middle. A stud is a round bar threaded at the both ends. One end of the stud is screwed into a tapped hole of the parts to be fastened, while the other end receive a nut on it. Studs are cheaply used instead of tab bolts for securing various of covers. Example: covers of engine and pump cylinders. So the correct answer is option C stud. Question number 76. When large quantities of bolts are to be purchased, the quantity is usually specified in terms of option A, number, option B, volume, option C, weight, option D, packets. The correct answer is option C, weight. Explanation. When large quantities of bolt are to be purchased, the quantity is usually specified in terms of weight. So the correct answer is option C, weight. Question number 77. Which of the following steel key is usually strong in failure by shear and crushing? Option A, rectangular, option B, square, option C, circular, option D, flat. The correct answer is option B, square. Explanation. Square key is usually strong in failure by shear and crushing. The industrial practice is to use a square key with sides equal to 1/4 of the shaft diameter and length at least 1.5 times the shaft diameter. Here square width B equal to H equal to D by 4 and length equal to 1.5 D. Here the B is width of the key in millimeters, H is the height of the key in millimeters, L length of the key in millimeters, D diameter of the shaft in millimeters. So the correct answer is option B, square. Question number 78. Diameter of washer is generally taken. Option A, equal to nut size, option B, less than nut size, option C, bigger than nut size, option D, any size irrespective of nut size. Correct answer option C, bigger than nut size. Explanation. Diameter of washer is generally taken bigger than nut size. So the correct answer option C, bigger than nut size. Question number 79. Bolts are designed on the basis of option A, direct tensile stress, option B, direct shear stress, option C, direct compressive stress, option D, direct bearing stress. The correct answer is option A, direct tensile stress. Explanation. Bolts are designed on the basis of direct tensile stress. Question number 80. Dash is used for friction lining in brakes and clutches. Option A, nylon, option B, Ferrado, option C, leather, option D, aluminium. The correct answer is option B, Ferrado. Ferrado is used for friction lining in brakes and clutches. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.